All right, so now we're going to do some order of operation problems. Like with everything, we always have to follow the same steps. Parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, whichever comes first, and then add or subtract, whichever comes first. So 3/8 plus 5/6 divided by 5. So the first thing I need to take care of is that 5/6 divided by 5. I'm going to do that over to the side. 5/6 divided by 5. All right, and that's actually going to be, I'm going to make that into an improper fraction. So that becomes 5/6 times 1/5. And that's going to be 5/30. And if I simplify that, that's going to be 1/6. So now I'm just going to plug this back into my expression. So 3/8 plus 1/6. All right, so when I'm adding, I got to get my denominators the same. And 24 happens to be a common multiple of both 4 and both 8 and 6. So I need to get both denominators to 24 and then change the numerators. So 8 times 3 is 24, so 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 4 is 24, so 4 times 1 is 4. That's going to be 13/24. And that is my answer. That's already simplified. All right. All right. All right. Here's an extra example. Go ahead and pause the video, give it a shot, hit resume when you're ready. All right. So first things first, I need to do my divisions. I'm going to do it to the side again. 7/8 divided by 5. All right, I need to make that an improper fraction, then find the reciprocal, change the division to multiplication. So 7/8 times 1/5. And I'm going to go, I can't cross cancel anything here, but I have 7, 7/40. All right, now I'm going to take this, plug it back into my expression. So 5/8 minus 7/40. Okay. I need to get my denominator the same. 40 happens to be a common multiple, so I'll need to change to 7/40. 7/40. I don't need to do anything there. 8 times 5 is 40, so 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 minus 40, and that's going to give me 25, 18/40. All right, so I need to go ahead and simplify that. 18/40 is not quite simplified. Let's see, 2, 2 my only common factor. I'm going to go with 2, and if I can need to keep going, I will. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9, and then 40 divided by 2 is 20. And that is my answer simplified. 9/20. All right. Go ahead and do the on your own and click on the video if you need to, or just check your answers when you're finished.